Well, hello everybody. Happy spring. It's been a while. I wanted to make this short video to give you a quick tip on how to prescribe crystals for healing, specifically going with your gut feeling at the moment. If you've been following me for a while, you know that my approach to crystals is very easy. It's based on a combination of intuition and experimentation without getting too much into technical details. I want to share a recent experience dealing with a moment's decision. Here's what happened. I got news of a friend who's very sick and is currently undergoing treatment. So I did what everybody does at the beginning, thinking of how come this happened so fast, was anybody supposed to catch this, and so on and so forth. Anyways, I was right here in the office, and of course, my eyes went to that shelf where I have crystals and accessories. I looked at this specifically and I thought she should have one of these. And like that, I got something similar for her, but this is part two. While I was at the store, another thought came to me about what other crystal I could get her. I saw this green calcite and I thought it would be a good complement at this stage of the treatment. The message of this short story is whenever you get hit with that kind of thought, follow it through completion because you already got the answer on what is the right crystal, the right tool, even the right crystal shape at the moment. So trust it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, check the links below and until next one,